And welcome back to my channel. I'm Daniel, and today from a train here in Germany we're unboxing this new iPhone 13 Pro because I'm also editing on my iPad M1 machine. This is why you see this. I want to use just the iPad to make this video, but let's jump into the video right away. So I got this iPhone because of the perspective as a filmmaker, and this is also what I want to focus here on this video. You have so many other videos where you see all the technical details. Just to be clear, the Pro version has the 3 cameras, it's a wide angle, it's a telelens, 3 optical, and also the normal regular lens. And the cool thing about this is that you can, while recording, change those cameras back, front, back, front, back, front. You have up to 240 frames in HD, so if you can for slow motion, or 120 frames in 4K, which is also very amazing. So that means that basically makes it equal to my Canon EOS R6 in terms of specs, sometimes even better. But the point is now here, it includes the cinematic mode, which I wanted to play around, and there will be another video on this channel which is dedicated just for the cinematic mode, where we can see how much is that actually improving my camera stuff. But what I can tell you already is all my videos for Instagram Reels, Stories, TikTok and YouTube Shorts I'm actually doing on my iPhone. I only use my Canon EOS R6 for the higher production stuff or for my YouTube videos. Usually this one is on my iPad. The point is, when I travel I want something fast. When I go around I want to be easy to edit, and also I edit on the phone. I have an app that is called InShot. You should definitely check out my Skillshare class. I made an InShot Beginner tutorial where I walk you through the process of creating amazing videos very fast. This is also the reason why I now do all on my iPad, because same like with the iPhone, you can edit very fast, because on Premiere Pro, while you can do everything, and I love Premiere Pro, I was working with Premiere Pro for the last couple of years, it is faster actually on those smartphones, and sometimes it's the way to go to just publish something that is for social media. By the way, if you're not using any TikTok, Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts at the moment, this is the best time ever. You know why? Because those 3 companies, Google for YouTube, Facebook or Meta for Instagram, and also ByteDance, which is the company that owns TikTok, are fighting for our attention. And this is why we as creators get many exposure when you upload videos to those 3 formats: TikTok, Reels and YouTube Shorts. Many people don't even know that there is YouTube Shorts. Go to my channel, you check out some of my shorts that I did for Premiere Pro, so you can see the impact that you can do with this. So if you compare the iPhone 13 Pro to the iPhone 13 normal, or even the mini, it is definitely more heavy. And I also got this case to protect this one. This is from mouse. I have a video here on my channel about this mouse case, because you can basically drop it from somewhere, airplane, zeppelin, whatever. Okay, not airplane. Super simple update. There will be more videos in the future about this iPhone where I go in depth. If you have any questions and you saw now this video and you think like, oh man, Daniel, you haven't answered that question, please let me know in the comments. I will answer you personally. Your comment I will answer. You got my point. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, ding on the bang bang gong, and we see us in the next video, probably somewhere else in Germany. Bye.